If you are someone that wishes to study in the UK, then UKEC is here for you. Welcome to UKEC Malaysia. Let's have a tour of it, shall we? To the left of the main entrance, you can find pamphlets and brochures of our UK partner universities. And the visitors lounge where you can meet and have a chat with one of us. This is our workspace. Here is where we hold our meetings and training sessions. And this is our instant workspace. Here at UKEC, we offer a variety of services ranging from education counselling to accommodation and visa to pre-departure briefings. Each designed to ensure that you are as prepared to begin your studies in the UK as possible. How does the process work? I'm glad you asked. First, we will go through your results and subject interest together to measure up against university's entry requirements. Then, we will explore with you your personal preferences, such as lifestyle and cost of living, so that you can make an informed decision about your choice of university. Guide you through document preparations and give advice on writing your personal statement. But that's not all. We will continue supporting you through your accommodation and visa application as well, all the way until you leave for the UK. And that is the UKEC promise. UKEC,
your bridge to a UK education.